प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. In this series today, we are beginning the 17th chapter. Arjuna uvacha ye shastra vidhim utsrujya yajante shraddhayanvitaha tesham nishtha tu ka Krishna satvamaho rajastamaha. The previous chapter ended with one who violates the rules prescribed in the scriptures, one who does not abide by them, he cannot be successful either in this world or in the other world also. He can neither be successful materially nor can he be successful spiritually also. So whatever you do according to what is said in the scriptures. Hearing this, now Arjuna asks a question. Ye shastra vidhim utsrujya yajante shraddhayanvitaha. Some, they worship God with faith. They believe that there is someone called God. And they are very much interested in worshipping Him also. So, they do that. But they don't follow the rules prescribed in the Shastras. They don't do the yajna or they don't do the puja according to the proper method, according to what is said in the Shastras. They look at some very learned person doing some puja. They like that. They also would like to do it. And they just start doing it. They are unaware of the proper procedure. Krishna, such people, they have faith. They are sincere. But they don't do it properly according to how it is mentioned in the Shastras. Tesham nishtatu ka sattvam aho rajas tamaha. How do you classify their faith? Is it sattvic, rajasic or tamasic? Shri Bhagavan uvacha trividha bhavati shraddha dehinam sa swabhavaja satviki rajasi chaiva tamasi cheti tam shrunu. Now Krishna replies. the faith of living beings is of three types. And it depends on their nature, their basic nature, whatever they have got from the previous births due to all the deeds they have performed in their previous births, and whatever got manifested during their death. Because of that, now they have attained a new birth, and here those vasanas, that nature follows. Based on that nature, the living beings have faith. And this faith is of three types: Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Sattvanurupa sarvasya Shraddha bhavati bharata Shraddha mayoyam purusho yo yat Shraddaha sayeva saha. Sattvanurupa sarvasya Shraddha bhavati. The faith of all living beings is based on their antahkarana. The antahkarana, for some Sattva-guna dominates, for some Rajoguna and for some Tamoguna. Based on that, their faith also is Sattvic, Rajasic or Tamasic. In Devas, totally Rajoguna dominates. In the Rakshasas, in Devas, Sattva-guna dominates completely. In the Rakshasas, the Rajoguna is dominant. And in the Pretas, Tamoguna dominates. In human beings, it is a mixture of all the three. And whatever faith a person possesses, he is that type of a person. If he has a sattvic faith, then the person himself is sattvic. If he has a rajasic faith, then the person is rajasic. How to know whether the person has a sattvic faith or a rajasic faith? Now he explains that. Yajante sattvika devan yaksharaksham rajasaha pretan bhutaganams chanye yajante tamasa janaha. Those who are sattvic, they worship the gods. And those who are rajasic, they worship the yakshas and rakshasas. They do Kubera puja and all that. And those who are tamasic, they worship the pretas and bhutaganas. From this, we can find out of what nature a particular person is. Ashastra vihitam ghoram tapyante ye tapojanaha dambhahankara samyuktaha kamaraga balanvitaha. And those who do penance, which is very severe, ghoram, and it is not according to what is said in the scriptures. Out of pride and arrogance and filled with desire and attachment, they do penance. And because of their penance, they harm other living beings and they harm themselves too. कर्षयन्तः शरीरस्थं भूतग्राममचेतसः मां चैवान्तः शरीरस्थं तान् विद्यासुरनिश्चयान्. They make all the sense organs suffer. Because of their penance, all the senses become weak. They possess no discrimination. And not that they are causing suffering to others and they themselves suffer, but they also make me suffer. I am present inside their body and they make me suffer. How is it that I suffer? I, who is just the witness to all their actions and to all their reasoning power. How is it that I suffer? When they don't follow the rules laid by me, when they don't obey my instructions, then they weaken me. I become weak. Such persons, they are of asuric nature. They have demonic resolve. Aharastvapi sarvasya trividho bhavati priyah yajnastapastatha dhanam tesham bhedamimam shrunun. Not just the faith, the food that is desirable to people is also of three types. The yajnas that they do, the worship that they perform, the penance that they do, and charity that they give, everything can be classified into three types. आयुस्सत्त्व बलारोग्य सुख प्रीति विवर्धनाः रस्या स्निग्धा स्थिरा हृद्या आहारा सात्विक प्रियाः. The food that is desirable to those who are sattvic. It increases the lifespan of a person. Food that increases the lifespan, food that increases your intelligence, your energy, food that increases your physical strength, food that is healthy, food that increases your liking. You eat that food and you feel so happy and you want to have more. Food that is tasty, rasyaha, that is tasty, snigdaha, that is oily. Bhagavad Gita says oily, fatty food is sattvic food, it is good. Sthira, food that lasts long in your body, food that is agreeable to the body. Such food is desired by people of sattvic nature. Katvam lalavanatyushna tikshna ruksha vidahinah ahara rajasasyeshta duhka shokamaya pradaha. And people of rajasic nature, they like very bitter food, very sour food, very salty, everything, ati, very hot food, hot, very spicy, very dry, and burning food. This food causes suffering to the body, grief to the mind, and it gives you disease. But this type of food is desired by rajasic persons. Yata yamam gatarasam पूतिपर्युषितं च यत् उच्छिष्टमपि चामेध्यं भोजनं तामसप्रियम्. Those of tamasic nature, they like food which is not cooked properly, which is not tasty. Puti, it has a bad smell. Paryushitam, yesterday's food. Uchishtam, food that is eaten by others, the leftover food of others. We do all that nowadays. Cha, medyam, and food that is not suitable for offering for God. Food that is not suitable for eating. Such food is liked by persons of tamasic nature. We'll stop with that for today. Tomorrow we'll continue the 3 types of yajna, tapas and charity. Hari.